Hello student, how are you? Hope you are good. As we all know, our board examination is now very near. So the Saraswati schooling system in associated with Sri Saraswati Institute presenting you the short lectures of important topic. So let's start. So we're going to learn about the chemical property of ethanoic acid. So first property of ethanoic acid is esterification. Now, what is you will understand that esterification when any ethanoic acid is react with ethanol, it gives you ester. First, you have to learn this reaction in words. If you will going to learn that in word, you can directly provide you in form of CH3COOH plus CH3CH2OH. Now, how you will going to write this reaction? This reaction you have to carry in presence of H plus. Now, what is the H plus? H plus is indicate this reaction is carried in presence of any acid. Now, how you will going to write the ester? Ester you have to write from the beginning of this ethanoic acid CH3CO, and from the alcohol you have to write from the O from backside, and it will be OCH2CH3, and this is your ester, and remaining portion is from this O and from this H, and you know very well when the OH and H is combined it form H2. So this is your first esterification. But after that, what happened about esterification? Ester is produced in this reaction. It gives you sweet smell. Because of acid has sour smell and the alcohol has the pungent smell, which react with each other and it produces the sweet smell in presence of acid. Now after further that, this ester is further react with the NaOH. NaOH means base. It react with the base and it gives you back the alcohol first. Whatever alcohol you have used in this reaction, which alcohol you have used in this reaction? The ethanol you have used. It means it will give you further ethanol, CH3, CH2 and OH. And the rest of, see how you will going to get that ethanol? Because of that reaction NaOH, the OH is given from this side, which is give you ethanol, and from this side what is remaining in NaOH? NaO, and you have to write the NaO from this side. Now what's remaining in this side? It is the CH3CO and ONA. It is sodium salt of acid. Sodium salt of acid. Now this reaction is used for making the soap. Hence this reaction known as saponification. So hence sometime what happens, student just give that mistake, they only write the esterification and produce only ester, but in whole esterification you have to write the first esterification and produce ester, and after that this ester further react with NaOH and produce the back to ethanol and the sodium salt of ethanoic acid. Now the second reaction. React with NaOH. Now see, again in earliest reaction you have seen the ester has reacted with the NaOH, but now the ethanoic acid is react with NaOH. What happened in this reaction? Same to same, whenever you finding the ethanoic acid and sodium, just write down in your reaction CH3COONA, and already we know the name of this compound, and it is the sodium ethanoate. Okay, sometimes it also known as sodium acetate, and it also known as sodium salt of acid. So sometime in exam they asked sodium ethanoate, sodium acetate and sodium salt of acid. So you don't have to be confused that all names are different but the compound is same. This reaction is ethanoic acid react with the NaOH. Now the third reaction is reaction with sodium carbonate Na2CO3 and sodium hydrogen carbonate. These both reactions are quite easy. Already you have studied in chapter number 2, reaction acid and base. But in this reaction, you have to react this both compound with ethanoic acid, and you know very well it is the ethanoic acid. It means acid react with Na2CO3 or NaHCO3. In both cases, it produces sodium salt of acid plus water and plus carbon dioxide. Why carbon dioxide? Because of whenever you finding in reaction carbonate, it produces carbon dioxide. This reaction will going to write in form of formula, and it will be CH3 COOH plus, now we will going to write this reaction in both way, Na2CO3 and NaHCO3. When ethanoic acid react with the sodium carbonate, same sodium you have seen, carboxylic acid you have seen. So what I have told you in earlier, whenever you finding the carboxylic acid and sodium, you have to write the CH3COONA, this is your salt, and after that water. Now water, from where water comes? Water comes when it is react with the H, there is only one hydrogen is there. So you have to go through the 2 time CH3COOH which react with the 2 sodium, and it react 2 hydrogen, take 1 oxygen from carbon dioxide, and it become H2O. And what is remaining after that in CO3? 1 oxygen is taken by 2 hydrogen. Now after that in CO3 is remain only CO2. But in this reaction you have to take only 1 time ethanoic acid, and so again carboxylic acid and sodium, it produce CH3COONA plus remaining over here 1 hydrogen from the acid, 1 hydrogen from the sodium hydrogen carbonate, and these both hydrogen take oxygen from this carbonate and produce water, and what is remaining after that in CO3? It's only carbon dioxide. So now these 3 chemical reaction you have to write in chemical properties of ethanoic acid. Again we're going to learn, quickly revise from this chemical property of ethanoic acid. The first reaction was the esterification of ethanoic acid, where esterification you have to write and the saponification also you have to write, and the second reaction with sodium hydroxide, and the third reaction is reaction with the sodium carbonate and sodium hydrogen carbonate.